Are you looking for a new boiler? If so, you'll want to check out the world's most reliable modular boilers. Modular boilers are very reliable because they consist of several smaller boilers that work together. This means that if one of the smaller boilers fails, the others will keep running, ensuring you never have to run without heat. EPCB is the world's leading manufacturer of modular boilers. We design and manufacture reliable and efficient boilers. Our unique modular design means we can supply custom boilers to meet your specific requirements. Let's unravel the mystery of the EPCB modular boiler together. Steam separator. Separate high-quality steam. The effective steam is more than 97, and the water content of the steam is controlled within 3. Heat exchanger. Stainless steel, aviation material, high temperature resistance 1200. High-density fin heat exchange, secondary utilization of flue gas heat, fully absorbing waste heat, high thermal efficiency, combustion chamber, use a special fire row, premixed combustion is more complete, water-cooled cooling, low-temperature combustion, reduce nitrogen oxide emissions. Control system, CPU electronic control, igniter, temperature control sensor, etc. Independently developed and produced. The new modular boiler can save you money. 1. Using the self-developed new direct flow steam generation technology to achieve steam generation in 3 seconds, with high thermal efficiency. 2. PLC automatic control system is adopted, which is easy to operate and saves labor costs. 3. Ultra-low nitrogen emission, no need for additional exhaust gas treatment, protecting the environment. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.